Hi guys, welcome back to Research Paper to Code. So this is a detailed tutorial video of the Research Paper to Code. So let's, without wasting our time, we can jump into that. Sign up. Actually, we can get free to sign up, right? We can click on this. So I will now go with this my Google login. If you are new user, once successfully we are entering into the applications, right? Here we can see like supporting multiple languages like Python, MATLAB and Java and VLSI. So let's say in my research I have doing in the Python. Okay, so I need to do a Python research oriented work. So before I will run into this our application, I want to show like my research paper. Let's I will go to the research my research paper. This is like wireless sensor network my research paper, so it's like very lengthy research paper. It's almost 34 pages, and so many algorithms will be there in this paper, and so many results are also there in this paper. It's a literally so many of complexity, right? So whatever the I'm doing the analysis, see algorithm one, and see tabulations, and literally it's so hard to implement that as even as a manually. So see, if I'm showing, this is a flow chart also there, and so many steps will be there in this paper, right? So what I will do is I just taken this simply this PDF URL, and I will just paste it in our application. Okay, so before that, this really this PDF URL is from open source. Okay, open source in the sense I mean to say like I am using this for maintaining my research work for this age one AI, for I am storing my PDF documentation here. So you also use this age one, it's completely free. So I'm just to copy this PDF URL, and I will go to our application. Just I will paste here. So once I will paste, right? So now I'm doing the Python, the same paper I will doing Python. If you want to change like any other like MATLAB or Java or VLSI, whatever it's you need, depends on your requirement, you can select the languages. So now I'm go within Python. I'm just clicking on simply this Python code. Yeah, actually it's 5 to 10 minutes to generate the entire implementation. So if it is like process, right, don't refresh the page, or don't stop, or don't close the application, because it's already the process is triggered. We need to wait for until it's completed. Yeah, see, it's a code is generated. Whatever the paper's implementation, so it's I implemented everything as per that paper. Yeah, equations and the tabulations and the algorithm. So everything is implemented. See, equations are 12 to 9 here. It's implemented. See, and it's everything is properly commented. So whatever it's given it completely, it's easy to given the executions far to in our paper. So now I done this one to Python, right? I'm take the simply copy this entire code, right? And if you want to download it, I can download it. And if you want to start a new process, you can start a new process. You can generate some other papers. So this is the process. Right now I'm just copy this one. um, I'm entering to my Jupyter notebook, just because of Jupyter notebook, right? It's a Google Colab, so we can easily to run our Python code. If you have like your own Python like Anaconda, or you can like Spider software, you can run it there also. It's no problem. So right now I'm using on this Jupyter notebook. I just paste my code here. So I'm just run the code of simple this run anyways. Yeah, we are getting the outputs. Yeah, just that's it. So we are easily done our work, right? We can able to compare the results as well in our paper. This is our paper, and I just comparing few results with you people. Let's say this is a fair comparison from the throughput. Okay, let's say we can go to the throughput. What is the where is the throughput? Yeah, here throughput as number of nodes. See, we can compare it. It's almost nearest to 85 more than we are getting the exact results. What is end-to-end delay number of nodes? We will check end-to-end delay number of nodes also. See, this also looks pretty much good, right? So as per that paper, it will be generated everything correctly. So this is really our saving in time and very effective, right? So this is what our application really helpful to our site. uh, Please explore our application and try to use our your research paper works. It will be very helpful to you. Thank you.